Hey Zach, let's simplify this exponential expression. We're going to assume that all the variables don't equal 0. So when I look here at this left-hand bracket, there's not really a whole lot we can do, right? There's no uncombined like terms. That's fine. Over here on the right bracket, I'm going to apply this -5 exponent, and that gets applied to the 2 and the x. So if I copy all this down again, 2x to the -7, y, z to the -3, that's all in brackets. This is going to be multiplied by 2, not a 5, 2 to the -5, x to the -5. Okay, so all I did was I just applied that exponent to the 2 and the x. Now what we can do is we can kind of multiply, but just keep everything the same as it is. Okay, so this is like 2 to the 1 right here. We're going to multiply that by 2 to the -5. Now remember here we're multiplying two exponents with the same base, so that means we add the exponents. 1 minus 5 is 2 to the -4. We'll continue in this manner with the x's as well. I have x to the -7. I'm going to add that to x to the -5. That's going to give me a -12. Once my pen stops freezing, there we go. Now y is just y. There is no other y term over here, so I'm going to carry that through. And there's no other z term as well. So we have z to the -3. At this point, we're almost done, but we have to deal with these negative exponents. Remember, we don't leave anything with a negative exponent. So the best way to think about those is to picture this whole thing as a big fraction, really over 1. You can make any number a fraction over 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these negative exponents and I'm going to put them down in the denominator, down below that sign. Y is positive, that's cool, that can stay up top, and z is going to go down. So what that's going to leave me with, y is up top still, that's the only thing up top, and everything that gets flipped down now has a positive exponent. So 2 to the +4 exponent, x to the +12, and z to the 3rd exponent. Now we're pretty much done, but we can evaluate this number here, 2 to the 4th power. Remember that's like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 gives us 16. So we might as well evaluate that while we're down here. Okay, so that's going to be our final simplified answer, y over 16, x to the 12, z to the 3. Hope that helps. If it doesn't, let me know.